Oh yeah, yeah. That's what they did at the thing. No, the one like an iPhone out.
Wow, dude. Just soak it in for a minute. Just soak it in. Wow. Wow. What is this? Oh, cool. I want to know. The oven. Sorry. You know what that means? Horno means oven in Spanish. What's the oven?
I just said to Mom, that's how they make. That's how like they get warm. And I said that's how they cook.
That's both. That's how they get warm and how they cook. It serves two purposes, not just one. How cool is that? What do you think? Let's walk through the museum right here to the right.
No, this way.
Right here, this way is the first way. Come here. Come in here first. Let's go check this out real quick. This is where the people that used to live here. Oh, excuse me. Okay, be careful walking down, okay? Look at that big bird up there. That's scary, dude. Look. Look. Don't walk off. Don't touch anything.
Look, this is what they used.
Wow. Whoa.
There's two things are gone. And said the rest of the gears are still on.
Whoa, that's crazy.
That means one of them died.
It's a big growth on its ear. Oh, look at this.
That's what they put babies in.
That's what you would have to be in if you were here at that time.
Sandals.
Mom, come here. There's a statue.
Whoa, look at this. What?
That's her shoes.
Oh, that's what we learned about this past week. Because it keeps it warmer. I mean, keeps it cooler and warmer.
This is how they build their house.
Look, this is a. We're watching a show called Alone. Remember? And this is what the lady did. Remember, she built this, and then she came over and built this part, and then she covered it up, but she did it with moss instead of dirt. And then the smoke will blow out through the top instead of through their breath. Whoa, check this out, dude.
I'm just going to show you what the royal.